Hey class. Well, we're in our final week. We're starting our final week, week 5. Before we go over week 5, I want to congratulate you guys on completing week 4. We have everyone participating in the discussion board, and everyone submitted their assignments on time. So give yourselves a hand clap. You guys did an awesome job. That's the way you do it. So in week 4, we talked about goal setting, and you saw a good video from Reggie Rivers, who taught us about not focusing on our goals, but focusing on the behaviors to get to the goals. And you guys made some good points in the discussion board talking about how you were going to change some important behaviors in order to reach your goals here at Vista College. So I am so proud of you guys. That was a great discussion board, and you guys submitted some great budgets. I saw some very creative budgets, and you all seem to grasp that you need to have a plan and you need to have an emergency plan. I saw a lot of you guys putting in your summaries that you were going to build a savings, or that you were going to cut back on expenses that you didn't need in order to save up so that you could have a little stash if something does arise while you're in college. That activity is just to get your mind adjusted to going to school and to think about things that may come up. You know, life does happen. Things do happen. And so it's better to be prepared for those things than not. And so that activity is just to get you to think in and to get you to prepare in case something do happen. So great work. You guys all, like I said, did a great job. So moving into our final week, we're going to be talking about other strategies for success, such as reading, test taking, and memory strategies, note taking. You're going to write a quick paper on how, and it has to be a one-page essay on how the things that you reviewed in the reading assignment, how you apply those things to your study habits and to your educational journey with Vista College. Remember, it does have to be one page, okay? In the reading assignment, just remember, you do not have to complete any of the assignments within the reading. You just need to read the material. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to call me, text me, or email me. I'm available. And I want you guys to have a great week. You guys are doing phenomenal in this class. I'm so proud of you. Have a good week. Let's finish strong. Everyone turn in your work early. Oh, and remember, if you haven't completed your end of term survey, get that done. If you have any zeros, you can still submit those assignments. So you may want to get those in. It'll help your grade. And then finally, this class ends on Friday at 11:59 p.m. So everything has to be submitted by Friday. So let's get an early start today, okay? All right, guys. It's been a blessing to have you in my class, and I look forward to reading your papers.